Hello children, welcome to aimsindia's online classes. This is biology session, Habitat, part 2. What is habitat? The place or the environment where an organism live or survive naturally is called its habitat. We know that there are many animals. The world of animals, if you see, the animals are found on earth in every kind of climate. The places where animals live are called habitats. Some animals live on land, some in water, some in air, and some live underground. So all the animals are adapted to live in particular environment or habitat. Some main habitats we can discuss. So here beside habitat in this lesson we are going to discuss more about the adaptations of the animals living in different habitats. So first, aerial animals. Aerial animals means, so let us know what are the some important habitats you can take on the earth: forest, grassland, desert, polar region, ocean, and the fresh waters, that is rivers, ponds, lakes. These are the main habitats. Okay, aerial animals. What are aerial animals and what are the adaptations seen in these aerial animals? Okay, the animals like birds and insects spend maximum life in air. Such animals are called aerial animals. Okay, you might have seen different types of insects. They may walk, they jump, they fly. Some of the insects will swim, hop, or crawl. If you take the larvae of insect, it will crawl. So butterfly, mosquito, grasshoppers, they have wings to fly and many pairs of legs to crawl. The grasshopper hops using its long hind legs, isn't it? The aquatic insects swim using their hind legs. Okay, and if you take birds, they have bones and light and hollow bones to make their body lightweight and movement easily in the air. Okay, they can move easily in the air. They fly with the help of wings and their bodies are covered with feathers. Their bones are hollow and very light in weight. This makes their bodies light and help in flying. Such animals have wings to fly and legs to walk on the land. So what are those animals? Aerial animals. Okay, so birds have wings and a pair of legs to fly and hop. They may swim in water also. Some of the birds, not all. The wings are modified forelimbs that help them to fly. The birds use their hind limbs for walking, running, hopping, and their forelimbs the modified into wings are strongly attached to the breastbone of the birds. They help the birds to flap their wings very strong in air during flying. Some birds have very heavy body and cannot fly because of their weak wings. The wings in these flightless birds are rudimentary. they are not effective. So these birds are flightless birds. What are the flightless birds? Example: ostrich, penguin, kiwi. And certain birds like duck, swan, they can swim in water because of their webbed feet. So but here mainly aerial animals we are discussing. So flying birds, more priority is given. Okay. The main adaptations: light body weight, hollow bones, okay, and the forelimbs are modified into wings. These are the main adaptations in the birds. Next, arboreal animals. What are arboreal animals? Arboreal animals means the animals which live on trees. Example: monkeys, squirrels, garden lizard, and chameleon. Like the different animals are there which live on trees. These animals spend most of their time on trees, and they are known as arboreal animals. They have strong arms and legs to climb trees. They use their strong claws to cling on tightly to branches. Okay. So these certain animals like rats, certain snakes also live on trees. Especially the trees provide shelter for many birds, monkeys, okay, and they provide shade, okay. Next, some animals here example: koala, gibbon, squirrel, giant squirrel, chameleon, orangutan, the monkey. These are all the arboreal animals. What are arboreal animals? The animals living on trees. They have strong legs and arms which help them to hang on the branches of trees. A monkey uses its long muscular tail to coil around branches while swimming. They will swing from one branch to other branch, one tree to other tree. Okay, you might have observed. Some more animals like lemur, flying lemur, monkey, leopard, sugar glider, red panda, green tree python, coyote, tree kangaroo. These are all the examples of some arboreal adaptations, arboreal animals. Okay. Next, aquatic animals. The animals living in water habitat, living in oceans, ponds, lakes, are called aquatic animals. These animals include fish, crab, prawn, etc. So these animals breathe with the help of special structures called gills. The gills absorb the oxygen dissolved in water, and water goes out of the body. Okay. And the oceans are the large continuous bodies of salty water. So the animals living in water are called aquatic animals. Different kinds of fish and several other animals like crabs, dolphins, whales, and seals live in water. Fishes breathe air dissolved in water through special organs called gills. Their body structure also different, which suit the aquatic habitat. Okay. They possess a streamlined body They have variety of adaptations to help or to meet their needs. And if you see the fish, its body is streamlined and the body is covered by fins, scales. Scales are very slimy to touch. When you touch you might have seen when you try to catch a fish, it will slip from your hands because of the slime. Okay, it can easily move in the water because of this streamlined body and the slime covering the body. It reduces the friction and it can move with the help of fins. Okay, and some animals in water like dolphins and whales, they do not have gills. They have to come to the up to the surface of the water for breathing. They breathe with the help of lungs. Okay, oceans are the largest continuous bodies of the salty water, occupying 71% of the earth's surface. They are largest habitat on earth we can consider. A wide range of animals are found in these oceans. Example, whale, octopus, dolphins, sharks, very large animals. They are found in the oceans. So beside oceans, even aquatic habitat include ponds, lakes, rivers also, and some water habitats which give shelter to numerous species of animals like fishes, frog, swan, duck, crocodiles. So all the animals living in the aquatic. Okay. Next, amphibians. The amphibians are the species of animals that live on land as well as in water. Example, frogs and toads. The young amphibians have gills to breathe, which later on develops into lungs. They breathe through lungs on land and with the help of moist skin in water. So, if you see the types of amphibians, frogs, toads, salamanders, newts, caecilians. Okay, what are amphibians? Animals living on both land and in water are called amphibians. What are the examples? Frogs, toads, newts, salamanders. So, these animals possess webbed toes or webbed feet in order to swim in the water. Their hind limbs also very strong. Okay, these amphibians divide into tailed and tailless amphibians. The tailed amphibians, salamanders, newts, caecilians, whereas tailless amphibians, frogs and toads. They have legs which help them to move on land, and the legs also possess webbed feet in order to swim in the water. The amphibians they have lungs to breathe on land, while in water they breathe through their moist skin. Some amphibians have stretchy tongue to catch the insects for their meal. For example, frog, protrusible tongue, it throws its tongue, catch the insect or prey. Okay, that is also an adaptation. Okay, children, thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.